Same tools, same time, very different results. It's not the tools. AI doesn't reward access. It rewards structure. Most people use AI like a tool. Top performers use AI like a system. There are 4 layers separating average users from high leverage professionals. Most people stop here. They ask AI questions and hope for better answers. This creates inconsistent output. A sequence of steps: input, process, output. Now results become repeatable. Repeatability creates leverage. Multiple workflows connected together. Now AI becomes part of how work gets done, not just something you use occasionally. This is where output multiplies. Templates, prompt libraries, reusable systems. Work you build once and use repeatedly. This is where time detaches from income. That's why results feel random. Top performers operate at layer 3 and 4. The gap is not skill, it's structure. This can be built, and most people don't have one. In the next video, we'll break down the mistakes that keep professionals stuck at low leverage. I hope you're enjoying our AI Corporate Survival series. If you are, please drop us a comment, drop us a like, and subscribe to the channel so you make sure you don't miss the next episode. Thanks for watching.